Good day, everyone. It is currently 1:54 p.m. on the 29th of April 2021, and we are going to be looking at the earthquake maps. There's a lot to talk about today. But first off, I'm going to start off with saying, so this comment right here, from Terry, she decided that, so Terry, first off, you saying that I don't know what I'm talking about, I'm pretty sure fairly well that I do. I've been studying this for 4 years. I'm pretty sure I know. And also, I never said that Alaska wasn't active. I just said that Alaska, right now, it's not as active as other spots, such as Oregon and the US right now, and you say that I'm making people worry about stuff they shouldn't worry about. Well, actually, they should be worrying about this stuff. That leads me on to my next topic. So, right here, we have the Japan region, right? There was a 4.3, 26 kilometers southwest of Kursk, Russia, at a pretty deep depth. Henshun, Taiwan, 186 kilometers of Pagan region, Northern Mariana Islands. Okay. So you can see there's not at all much activity over here besides this 5.5 in the Northern Mariana Islands. Well, I just recently realized this. It's not technically meaning that Japan and the Cascadia subduction zone will get a big earthquake. It's either one, because if there's absence of earthquakes in the Japan region, that means we should be worried about this side over here, because there's something super big that's about to hit there. As well as over here. Maybe they will, maybe the earthquakes will shift, and maybe they shift to Japan, but either way, it's creating a super big hazard to all these areas. Now, we're going to talk about the, well, first, let's go talk about this area along, there's lots of earthquakes. 5.0, Kermadec Islands region, yeah. A lot of earthquakes there. Let's see. Yes, and over here, it just be okay. Okay, Chile. Now I'm starting to look out for this area a little more, because right now it's starting to get, there's more deeper earthquakes, like, oh geez, that's pretty deep. And over here, let's see, 10 kilometers. I'm not worried about this upper area, just this lower area. And then we have a 5.0, 15 kilometers southwest of Infernillo, Morelos, Infernillo, Mexico. Over here, Dominican Republic area, Puerto Rico. Yeah, the more over west we go from Puerto Rico, the more the hazard of a bigger earthquake. But right here, like you can see, they're not at high depths, so don't really have to worry about that area. Up here in Alaska, the reason why I said that in my last video that this Alaska region isn't that active right now is because, I mean, like right now, like currently, there might be in the immediate future new maybe this this plate starts to move up here. Maybe that happens, and then there'll be pressure on that area. I'm just saying, like right now, I'm not looking for really big earthquakes. It doesn't look like it would be in the forecast. So yeah. Now to move on to this area. So we have one earthquake. Texas again. Just 2.6. Let's see. California. South California, okay. Nevada. Near the Bay Area. 2.7. Okay. Hold on. First, take a look at this area. That's kind of near. Wait, is it? No, that's not near Mount Rainier. Okay. But now leads us to this little thing over here. Not that little when you think about it. This also backs up my claim that this is moving towards this area because there's more pressure on the California fault as well as the Cascadia fault, and we can see that right now because look at this. Look right there. 5.3, 5.4. And even small ones like 3.9. It's just, yeah, it's swarming right now, and that just means over here more and more pressure is building along this fault, the Cascadia. This is the I think Gorda Ridge, Gordita. I'm not sure. Let's see, and then now my main focus is this area. In the future, after that earthquake appears, then I would be kind of concerned about this area. But first, I'm concerned about the California area because not only is it putting pressure on the Cascadia fault, it's putting pressure on these faults right here, because it's crashing these two faults into each other, making kind of like a clashing effect, and I noticed that's why we're seeing a lot of small little earthquakes appearing everywhere on here. And also a few days ago we saw 2.0s, like two 2.0s along the actual Cascadia subduction zone, and that indicates that there's pressure there, and probably it's gonna happen really soon. So obviously the San Andreas, I'm really looking out for, and all of the other faults in California, because this is not just one fault that it's putting pressure on, it's putting pressure on all of these faults, all of them. And so we really have to look out for that. Yeah, that is also probably, just a quick idea, it's probably pushing magma up to the surface of these areas, of the Oregon, California volcanoes. So that's just probably just a thought, but it would probably create a lot of volcanic eruptions. So we gotta look out for that. This called up here, this is the entire region ranging from here going down all the way into here is like in red right now. It's like a major area. Red, dark red. In terms of how bad the earthquakes are gonna get. And then down here, I'd rate this an orange, maybe a yellow. No, orange. Over here, I'd say this is a that's kind of hard. I'd say it's an orange only because of the fact that after that will happen, after the Cascadia quake will happen, that's leaving this area to, you know, be now the one area with no activity, and that means that something big will happen after that. Because when it comes back after this area, when there's absence of activity here, then that means it's heading the other way, and Japan region, northern Asia, will start to feel the side effects or effects of the plate, and it'll come in very fast, so create probably like a 7.9, 8.0. But over here, it's just, at this point, I have no words. It's probably gonna happen within the next few days, weeks, maybe. It's kind of obvious now. At first, it started off as like maybe a thought, but now it is a general concern. And down here now, I'd say it could be 6.0, 7.0 around this area, maybe even 8.0. Gotta look out for that area, but this is the main area I'm looking out for. It's really bad. But yeah, I'm pretty sure that wraps up this video. We have a lot to look out for. And again, I'm not saying that Alaska isn't active. It's very active. It's just, it's not currently at this day very active. If that caused any confusion for anyone. Yeah. So that's that. I think I'm gonna go. Bye guys. I hope everyone stay safe. Bless you all. Yeah. Bye.